On today's episode of MotoCheez.
Alright guys, here's a moment of truth. This has been sitting a month, and when it had the old Weber carburetor on there, you'd have to pump the hell out of it and crank and crank and crank and crank and crank. But as you remember, I put the Chinese version OEM back in here, Carter, and it ran perfect. Now it's been sitting, like I say, a month, so let's see what it does. Nothing. Guess I need a new battery, boys. Baby air filter. I do have to find a bigger one, I know. What's up, Minitruck? We need you. Minitruck to rescue. Huh, put them wrong.
Dumbass.
Let her charge up for a few minutes. I got food.
A few moments later.
Let's try this one more time. This is bullshit. I must be losing prime. Well, this is going to be electric fuel pump now. That's what I'm doing. And I guess I need a new battery. Let's try this one more time. Jeez. Only need that little bit more. I'm ordering that electric fuel pump. That's got to be the problem. It must siphon back to the gas tank. It has to. And then carburetor dries out. And then when I start to crank it over, the gas is trying to push into the carburetor. I don't know. This has one of those, got a bypass fuel filter. That's supposed to stop it from vapor locking, but I don't know, boys. Carburetor still started up and run good though, once I got fuel in it. Well, it didn't solve my starting problem after it sits a while. Once it started, it actually idles really good. The choke stayed on. Did good. I'm gonna take a ride and fill up some tanks with that pipeline being shut down. And no, I'm not going crazy. I always keep like 4 to 5 tanks full. Just mowed the lawn yesterday. It's definitely going to put a little damper on our Florida trip. I can't carry 100 gallons of gas with me. Well, I suppose I could. And this came off my engine stand. I made it many, many moons ago. That's for an outboard motor to go on an engine stand. Now, that motor, we may not even work on because there was some pretty good scores. I don't know if they're going to hone out, but typically if you hone out something that's too deep, it's going to make the board too big and yada yada yada. So still got to pull all the pistons out, hone it a little bit. If I can get them out, then we'll go from there, because that was a GM Goodwrench motor with 1,000 or less miles, which is sad. Set to go. Decided to move him back. Let's go get raped at the gas station.
He got a little pretty mouth, ain't he?
Let's see how backed up it is here. Guess I'll go into New York. I actually have a package to go out. This one here is going to Claremont, New Hampshire. So let me know if you guys are getting that gas shortage in your area. I filled up my Jeep yesterday and Wasn't hardly anybody at the pumps. All filled up. Minitruck's already got a filled belly. Full belly. Wow. A lot of pollen lately. I hate these new mailboxes. Good job, Minnie. Best helper. Check this out. Just got it from Amazon. Just dropped it off. And this is exactly how it comes. Look. Wow. Looks like everything's in there. It's a 1.5 quart. Looks like it'd be great for camping or truckers or overlanding. 12 volt. I believe it was 100 watts, 96 watts. So reading the reviews, some people said that make sure that you secure it so it doesn't flip over, because that's not going to stop the stuff from coming out, is it? No. Simmer and serve. It's got a removable stoneware crock. Huh. Road Pro. 96 watts, 15 amp fuse, 6-foot cord, 1.5 quart capacity, 8 amp draw. So you're definitely going to want to keep your car, boat, RV, or truck running while this is plugged in. Or, you know, it could probably shut off for a little while, but I would not leave it overnight. I'm going to try this when we go to Florida, do a pot roast. So when we stop, figure we do it all, you know, do a full day. Should be good then, huh? I'll let you guys know. Hopefully they'll get that pipeline going.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.